One trade can change everything.
Hello everyone, I wanted to do a very brief market update. We've taken 2 trades since our last video on Monday. These played out really well. They were awesome trades, right? So we basically what I had said was, let's see if I have the zones. I had drawn out a couple of zones here that I was looking to short, right? We can go ahead and scoot this over. So this area here, and that was based off of these 2 channels coinciding, right? So we had this upwards channel. We also have this lower channel here. We know that we've been shorting the top of the range, longing the bottom of the range, and now this was, I think, just a really nice source of confluence. So we caught this one, traded it down to the mid-range, took profit there. Price then got to move back up, and I posted in the Discord, I said, I'm going to do the exact same trade again. I'm going to do the exact same thing. So I actually entered my short like here, watched price go up, miss my stop loss. This means it's a good stop loss, right? And then come down, took profit at the midline, right? I actually took profit a little bit earlier. I messaged you guys saying that I didn't like that we were dumping into market open. So I took profit a little bit higher than that. But we did wind up dumping through the midline, and now we're sort of just consolidating down here. And from here, you know, I'm still holding half of my short from up here, and I'm still looking to trade it down to the bottom of the range. Well, I will close 25% and then keep 25% as a runner. So what I'm going to do too is if we get down to the bottom of the range, depending on the reaction or how it looks when it gets down there, I may go ahead and just open up another long at the bottom of the range like we've been doing for forever, and just simply trade it back up to the top of the range. Okay. Now, here is the a reason why this might not be such a great idea anymore is we can see here in this uptrend, we've lost, back tested it, and are now getting a move down. Okay, so this could be a signal that we could be seeing lower prices, or that price is finally going to, you know, take out some of these lows down here, most specifically this one here that's held for the last couple weeks. Okay, so what we could see happen, a couple scenarios that I would be looking for is either, you know, we do get the move down at the bottom of the range again, and we, you know, basically rotate the range just like we have done like a dozen times. The other scenario that I would look for is to actually break down below, swing failure this low, get a closure above here, regain acceptance back into the channel to then long, you know, back to the top again with a take profit at the midline and at the top, leaving a 25% runner in the event that it does continue to the upside. Right, so those are the 2 scenarios that I'm going to look for in a long opportunity. If for whatever reason Bitcoin decides to pump from here, I can't imagine why it would. The next thing that I am looking for as an area for a short would be this untapped weekly in the daily naked point of control. So if price does get up to about this 23,700, 23,800 zone, I will be looking for another short there like we talked about on Monday. Okay, so those are the 2 things that I'm looking for. Honestly, guys, at this point, looking at this PA and how miserable it's made people, I think the max pain option isn't to dump, it isn't to pump, it's just to keep going sideways, right? And we love channel trading. We've been doing so well at it. We've taken, well, I've personally taken 13 trades off of this. I got stopped out on 1 of those 13 trades based on this channel, right? So let's you know, let's see what the charts give us when we get down here. I have an alert set at the low of the range. I have an alert set on the swing failure. If we come down, we get the swing failure pattern, great, we'll look for a long. If we come down here and we bounce off the low of the range, great, we'll take a long again. If price simply pumps up, maybe we'll look to short the top of the channel again for a 3rd time in a row here, or otherwise we'll look a little bit higher. And yeah, this setup was really cool, guys. I don't know if let's see here. Yeah, so this was the fractal that I posted in the Discord, and you can see just how closely it followed, right? Move up, massive rejection, take out the high, and then dump, right? Same thing, just like this, and then dump, right? A little bit of consolidation before then continuation to the downside. So that's kind of what we'll be looking for here. You can see it's a little bit more extended out, but it's generally the same idea. Okay. So with that said, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask in the Discord. I hope you've enjoyed the trading tutorials that I've shared with you guys lately. It's been a lot of fun making those and sharing them with you, and it's been very rewarding to see that it's helped some of you in your trading. In the next couple weeks here, we will be releasing we'll have the website and the risk trading tool. I know a lot of you have been asking me about that, so I am super, 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 super excited, guys. There's a lot of cool stuff coming later this month, so stay tuned for that. Enjoy the rest of your night, and like I said, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask in the Discord.